So guys, as you can see, we already review all the materials, and as you can see, everything is correct, everything is set up. There are no light blue color streams or so. So we can go directly to the workbook and check out every single unit operation right here, energy streams of the chiller, heat duties, the heater, the turbine, etc. The compositions, which will be very important when analyzing the final products, and material streams. I wanted to show you how to add a workbook table. Just click here, right click, and add a workbook. You can add a material stream, you can add a composition stream, and you can add energy stream. So let's analyze. Actually, this is the same data as in here, but the only thing is that we have it right here in the flow sheet. So if you want to print it, sometimes I will recommend it if it's not that big, like this one. And well, you can manipulate all the data. The bad thing on this is that it shows every single stream. You can modify, changing columns and so, but I think this is fine. You can verify very easily. For instance, let's say composition of the bottoms. As you can see, this is mostly NC12. If you wanted to see the stack gas composition, it is mostly nitrogen because it is air mixed with the fuel, and a little bit of oxygen which is left over, and plenty of CO2 as well as water.